Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Fish Academy. It's your humble friend Kufre Ibanga Francis, the founder of First Fish Academy. Today happens to be April, 14th day of April 2023, and then we are bringing you a video. I know for a long time you guys have been waiting to see us upload on this platform. I want to tell you that we've been doing a lot of work on the ground to ensure that whenever we bring anything here, it should be something different, So today I want to show you how to grade your fish using two method, but right now I'm in our facility. A lot of you might maybe a little bit used to where this place is, but I tell you, I think using this place is far better than what it was being used for before, for those of you that have been following us very well. And this happens to be one of our production units. All right, so right here, for those of you that have been following us on this channel, I want to say we have over 460 videos on Fish Academy platform. In case you have just seen one or two and then you think that is all about us, no, you've not started yet. You need to watch over 460 videos on this channel showing you how to do so many things, especially when we started. All right, then you're really going to learn a lot. All right, so today I'm showing you guys how to grade your fish using a filter. You can see these are my workers. First Fish Academy, we have a lot of workers doing different work. We have the management staff, we have the field workers, we have the production officers, we have the sales officers. We have so many. That's why for some of you that have been contacting us, you know that at the end of the day, Fish Academy, we have to pay a lot of workers. By the special grace of God, we've helped in growing or in decreasing the unemployment rate in Nigeria. All right, and then we are hoping to do that. We're hoping to decrease it the more. We want to create employment for the youth, and that is what Fish Academy is known for. We are creating jobs directly and indirectly. All right, so what you're seeing here is selection using the basket. So this basket, you can have various basket or various hole, but I tell you, it shouldn't be a rough basket. It shouldn't be basket that you perforate maybe using nail. No, it should be very smooth. There must be nothing inside. There should be nothing like any sharp edge that will injure or that will wound your fish, or that will give your fish injury. All right, so putting the fish into the basket, all right, so the smaller fish will have to fall out through the holes, all right, remaining just the bigger fish. All right, and then whether they are small, whether they are big, what we have here are healthy fish. All right, very healthy. We ensure that our water run 24 hours. We don't stop flow of water. So at all time, the water in our hatchery or in our factory is 100% clean. All right, so what you see that we just did an underwater video. All right, so this is how the selection is done using the filter. All right, but I'm still going to show you another method, all right, in case you don't have the filter. All right, I want to tell you right here that in this our factory, this is our production factory, we have eyes everywhere. When I say we have I have eyes everywhere, or CCTV cameras is mounted everywhere in this facility, both in and out. So whether I'm at home, whether I'm in the country, I'm not in the country, I can actually see what is going on very well. I can wake up in the night and I check what is happening, whether it's in the morning, anywhere at all, anytime at all. I can just put when I see if anything is going wrong right here, where I am, all right, I can just put a call through to the people on ground. Do this, do that, do this. So this make fish farming an interesting one. Just as I've been advising my client, when we set up a facility for you, don't forget to mount CCTV cameras everywhere. And when I say CCTV cameras, it should be solar powered CCTV camera, so that someone will not tell you, oh, light went off, generator went off, this thing went off or that went off. No, it should be solar power, especially your CCTV. Every other thing you can use any other thing. When you have solar power CCTV camera, nobody gives you excuses anytime. Nobody tell you this one happened, and then mount it in strategic location, strategic places, all right? So that you, if anything should happen, you can always go back and then check what actually happened. But I tell you, nothing will happen. This is one thing I can assure you, because even if we have an intruder, when an intruder looks up and see cameras everywhere, that intruder will just behave. The intruder will claim to be a customer, all right? It will claim to be a customer, and then it will behave his or herself and then return. So everybody, both in and out, will be very careful of what they are doing, knowing that you as a boss is seeing them everywhere. So what you are seeing here is hand selection. All right, this is hand selection, and then we have so many fish here. All right, so we make supply of fish almost every day. All right, almost every day. Like this fish you are seeing here, all right, belongs to a farm in Uyo. All right, so when you want to get fish from us, all you need to do is for you to book ahead. It's not cash and carry. All right, you have to book ahead so that we can grow quality fish for you, you know, and then you pick it up, and then we supply it whenever maybe you are ready. But always ensure you book ahead of time. It's always very, very important. All right, like today as I'm making this video, fish is being sent down to Oba in Anambra State. We've sent fish across to different places. We've done supply across almost both north, south, east, west. All right, we've been doing supply, and I want to tell you that our project is still ongoing. We've been handling projects. The project in Uyo is ongoing. Of recent, while we are going to kickstart the project in Anambra, my workers were involved in. But I will bring you the video. A very serious accident that destroyed one of my car. So these are juvenile. These are juvenile, standard juvenile. In case you are just seeing this, if you book for juvenile if you book order for juvenile from us, these are the sizes of fish you are going to be getting, and always very, very healthy. This particular one we are just counting it now. We are sending it across to the person that have made payment down before. All right, so I want to use this medium to appreciate all of you guys for your love. Even when I don't post videos, you know, people still go back to watch the videos they have watched before, because this is an educational video. It's not comedy, it's not music, it doesn't fade. All right, this video has come to stay, and it has come to stay. So whether you are seeing this video for the first time, just do well to go back, watch our previous videos. As I said earlier, we have over 450 videos on this channel, and do well to subscribe. When you subscribe to this channel, that is when different videos will pop up. These are our brew stock. All right, this our brew stock. We have brew stocks here of 3 kg, 4 kg, all right, that we normally use for production. We don't use 1 kg fish for production. We don't use 1.5 kg fish for production. Our fish, they are usually very, very big, and these ones we are only trying to grow them. We have our brew stock some other place, so this particular one we are growing them. So thank you very much. Subscribe to watch the next video only on Fish Academy channel on YouTube.